Good afternoon, good night. This is Nigel and Jessica.
Hey.
We just wanna come on, say, hey, and let you guys know exactly what's going on. Well,
With us.
with us, yeah, because you guys already know what's going on. So, what we decide to do, we decide to, pertaining on what's, everything that's been happening, we decide to not do some of the events that we decided that we had planned. So we just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what we are.
Some of the events we were going to do have already canceled. You guys already know about that. But there were some events, like tomorrow, the farmer's market, we're not going to be there. So we just want to, give thanks to you guys, and hope that you and your family are staying safe.
Yes.
And
because that's what matters.
That's what matters. And really listening so that we can,
Yes.
squash this whole thing. But it's going to take all of us together.
For real.
So we're just, here, and we're going to be having some fun from here online with you guys. And we just want to wish you guys good health and with you and your family.
Yes.
And we know that everybody's been out there frantically trying to get everything, and you're probably dry.
Yes, because I know you guys are washing your hands a lot and, using your hand sanitizer and stuff, and that might make your hands a little dry, so
You
what
already
we
know.
say, don't stay dry. So we got it right here. Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. All right.
So you
don't
probably
be dry.
right. You probably already have the oil if you're getting this message.
If you have it,
use it. Keep your skin hydrated. Keep your body hydrated. Stay hydrated. Stay well, and we'll see you soon. So check us out on Facebook Live tomorrow, starting at
3. When?
9.
Oh.
Same time as market.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
And again, we wish you good health, love, and blessings.
Yeah, man.
And giving you a hug
That's
from here.
Warm embrace.
Lots of kisses.
Yeah,
All
man.
right. One love.
One love, guys.